In this video, I'm going to be talking about software efficiency. Software efficiency is a very, very important topic because even if you develop a software that is inefficient, it's as good as a bad software. Okay. So what actually is efficiency in software engineering? Okay. So efficiency just simply means it's performance analysis to check or to ensure that a software has the best performance. Okay. So, what do you mean by best performance in this case? Let's say you build an application, okay? An application that only displays one image. For the sake of learning, let's say an application displays one image. Not realistic, but let's take it that way. And all of a sudden, an application that displays one image, for you to download it from the App Store, it needs about 6 GB. Okay, 6 gigabytes. Download this application that displays one image. Already this software is inefficient because how can I use this amount of data to download one application with one image on it? It's just too huge. Okay, but here we're going to find a game with all the graphics. It's as small as 20 megabytes, and that is what you have as efficient software. So efficiency just simply means that a software has the best performance. Best performance in terms of what? Best performance in that it gives you the expected result. The expected result and the expected functionality, taking only the required space, and also that it can process that information quickly. Okay? So when talking about efficiency is just about software optimum performance. So when you write a software that you're running, if you put it on a Core i13 machine, is it really running that fast? Is it processing instructions quickly? Okay, did you structure the code in such a way that it doesn't take too long to process information and give you a result? Does it take too much space? Okay, is it in its best performance? Is it giving the expected result? And how quickly is it able to do that? If the memory on a computer is low, meaning if the hard drive is almost full, can your program tell the user that maybe get rid of this amount, free some space for me to function properly? Or it's just that your computer will start, your program will start lagging and the user won't know what the problem is. That's what efficiency is. So we're talking about best optimum performance in almost all given parameters and conditions in operation. So what are the key factors of determining that the software has the best performance? The first factor you should put in mind is what is space. Okay, so by space I mean how much space a software needs to use on a computer or a phone. So efficient software will always use only the required space or less. Okay, so if you have an application that you download into your phone, this application is saying in the Play Store it's 10 megabytes. Okay, then all of a sudden when you install this 10 megabyte application on your phone, when you start running other applications on your same phone, your phone begins to freeze because this application is taking up of all the RAM processing power. You understand? That shouldn't be the case. This application is only 10 megabytes. So if an application functions like in this manner, it's inefficient because it's taking up too much space. It's taking up too much or too many memory resources. An application only needs to take the required resources, and after it's done using them, it frees the resources again for other applications to use them. So the first factor is space. How much space is the application taking that I've developed? Okay, is it taking too much space? If it's taking too much space, it's time for you to consider and find means of making sure that it runs smoothly with less space required. 2. Speed. Efficient software is supposed to accomplish a task in the shortest time possible. Okay, you can't have a software that is going to be uploading a file of 2 megabytes. Okay, 2 megabytes. 2 megabytes with good network conditions, and your software is built in such a way that it's taking, 11 hours to finish uploading. Even finishing uploading in like 5 hours. I know this is network dependent, but I'm saying a software must be must be able to process information quickly and then only take the required space. Okay? So, under efficiency in computational thinking, efficiency is a very serious part of computational thinking. So every time you're developing a software, you must be conscious of how much memory or space that software is taking up and how quickly is it able to accomplish the task it was developed to accomplish. Okay, so software efficiency is profiling of performance of softwares to ensure that they are working correctly and as well as, not really correctly is error finding, but we're looking at optimum performance to ensure that they're taking up less space and the software is able to accomplish the task quickly. Okay, so efficiency, okay, efficiency, the major factors of efficiency is space and what? Space and time. There might be many other factors depending on the type of software that you're using. But in all the conditions, this is what you need to look out for. Okay? So that's what efficiency is. So understand the theory of efficiency. Developing software in such a way that it has or it offers the best performance for the users. Okay, so that marks the end of the lesson on efficiency.